Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share access your Blink camera using the Blink home monitor on an iPhone. Sharing lets family member or trust people view the control your Blink cameras. First, open your iPhone and open the Blink home app monitor. This is the account that controls all the cameras. Blink doesn't have any separate share button to share access. The other person must log in using the same Gmail and password. This means they will see the same cameras and setting as you. Carefully share your Blink account email and password with the person you trust. They should install the Blink home monitor app on their phone and log in using your account details. On the other iPhone, open the Blink app and enter the shared email and password. Once logged in, they can view the live video, watch the clip, and arm and disarm cameras. Here's the important tip: only share with trusted people. Anyone logged in can change the camera setting, change your password anytime in app setting if needed. You can also turn on two-step verification to protect your account while sharing access. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.